This will be very cool if I can figure out how to do this. Hey, what's up, and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today we're gonna be testing some TikTok hacks. Again, we're doing it. I already tested out TikTok life hacks and TikTok beauty and makeup hacks. I'll have both videos linked down below. But today we're gonna be testing out TikTok hair hacks. I'm gonna get that hair looking cute or interesting or something. We'll see how it goes. If you enjoy these types of videos and you want me to do more of them, definitely leave a like on this video to let me know. And yeah, I'm super anxious to get hacking, so let's get into it. Okay, so I haven't tried any of these hacks yet, so I'm a little nervous how they're gonna go, but we're gonna do it together. We're gonna figure this out, hopefully. Hack number one is to get a more voluminous ponytail. So let's throw my hair into a ponytail to see what we're working with before. Ooh, so this is my before ponytail. It happens to already have a lot of volume. I just have really thick hair and it's curled right now. But let's take a look at that and see if we can get it improved and even more voluminous using this TikTok hack. Let's see. Okay, so first things first, the girl takes two little ponytails and she knots them together. It's a little complicated, but you're gonna hold them together, take the side of the front one, pull it through the back, and take the other side of the back one and pull it through the front. And then knot it. Hope that made sense. Then you're gonna take two bobby pins and you're gonna put it on either side of this little bungee that you got going on. So you just slide one bobby pin through the top one and then just flip it around and do the same thing on the other side with another bobby pin. So now we got this weird little tool going on. I don't know, we'll see how this goes. Next she gets her hair into the ponytail position and holds it, so let's do that. Back again. Okay, got the ponytail up there and I'm just holding it in place. And I've watched this part in the TikTok a few times. It seems a little confusing, but it seems like what you wanna do is take the first bobby pin, poke it through the center, and then you're gonna kind of hold that in place while you bring this whole tool around all the way to the back, and then the second bobby pin goes in the back. We'll see if it works. Jeez, okay, I need a mirror. Let's see how this goes. So I have bobby pin number one. I'm putting it through the center, kind of locked in there. And then I'm going to take the little bungee tool around. Oh, their ponytail's in the way. How am I gonna do this? Oh my goodness, okay. No. God, getting it around the back is not easy. This is actually really difficult. Okay, I think I got it around. I don't know if the first bobby pin is even secure in place. Okay, I don't know. It's around the back once. And now I'm bringing it around again. And I'm gonna take the second bobby pin and I'm just going to secure it through the center of the back. And now pull. Okay, it's holding. It feels a little messy, but it's holding. Points for that. Okay, and then the final part of the TikTok is just to hide the bungee with a strand of your hair. So I'm gonna do that. Take a section from kind of underneath and then just wrap it around to hide the ponytail, which I do all the time. And then you just bobby pin the tail of that in place. Lots of bobby pins. Okay, feels secure. Now let's get the side view to compare. Okay, and here we go. We've got my little TikTok ponytail. I mean, the ponytail is wrapped, so I feel like that makes it look different, but is there a difference in volume? I feel like maybe it worked. It definitely feels kind of pushed up because it's got the bobby pins and they're kind of supporting it. I mean, this was only my first time doing it, so it was a bit rough, but I see the potential in this one. I'm gonna call it a win, and I'm gonna practice this one. I'm gonna perfect it, and I feel like I would use this trick again. Okay, cool. We're starting off with a win for TikTok. Fun. Okay, TikTok hairstyle hack number 2 is this cute little ponytail twist style going on top of your head. I really hope this one works because it looks adorable. Let's try it. Okay, it looks like the girl is starting off with the center part, so let me just fix it and make it totally center. Is that even center? Is that less center? Okay, center part done. Now it looks like she wants you to make two little front ponytails kind of sectioned above the arch of your brows. So let's try that. Let's attempt it. It looks like maybe she wants to be that far back and then coming over the arch of your brows. Something like that. Okay, looking super cute so far. What even is this? Next, she wants you to actually take out the ponytail and split this little section front and back into half. Cut through that and ponytail each one separately. And this side. Okay, we've got our 4 little pony sections. This is a look, all right. Okay, here's where it can get a little complicated. So we're gonna name the ponytails. This is front 1, this is back 1, this is front 2, this is back 2. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take front 1 and you're going to join it in with back 2, diagonal. So you take the hair and you're supposed to just twist it And then you just take the ponytail out of back two and you just take all the hair together, twist it to get it like nice and incorporated, and you just take that ponytail again and tie it off together, nice and tight. This is a lot of like tying and retying, so we'll see if the final look is worth the effort. And now you're just gonna repeat the same thing with the other two remaining ponytails. So take front two, cross back, twist it, and incorporate it with back one. I hope that was correct. Okay, so we can see the little crisscross thing is working. And now what you're gonna do is take one final ponytail, this one took a lot, and you're gonna take these two sections and tie them together. Okay, and here's the final look. We've got our little crisscrossy twist ponytail thing. Don't really know what to refer to it as. And okay, it worked. It definitely worked. I just don't know if this final result was worth all that effort of tying and retying and sectioning and I don't know. I feel like we could have achieved something semi-similar without as much work. That would have been just as cute, maybe even cuter, because it's got a little like, you know, fuzzy messy with all the crisscrossing and everything. I'm very sorry to call this one a fail, but I think I'm gonna call it a fail. Even though it's kind of cute, I don't know, it's a fail. My channel, my rules. Next. Okay, it took some effort to get all those ponies out, but we made it. Let's move on to TikTok hairstyle hack number 3. This one's like an old classic. I've done this one many times before, but it's cool. I saw it on TikTok. Maybe some of you don't know it, so let's do it together. It's kind of the like half up ponytail flipped through to get that like cool twist look. I'll show you what I mean. It's very cute, very simple. It's a go-to. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do is take two sections of hair and just bring it together to make a little half up ponytail like this and tie it off. Okay, there you go. And now the little hack part of it is you're going to take the little ponytail that you just made and you're going to flip it up and through this little hole at the top. Like that. And instantly, you see now you have like a twist here. Now you can kind of just, you know, pull it apart, get it looking exactly how you want it to look, but that's the hack. And let me just turn around to show you the front view of it. It looks super cute front and back. I absolutely love this look. Like I said, I wear it a lot. It's just like such a simple 2-second add-on to your styling that makes a world of difference. It looks like you tried really hard to create a cute hairstyle when really all you did was just flip it right through. So for sure, this hairstyle hack gets a win. Oh, I don't want to take it out, it's cute. And on to TikTok hairstyle hack number 4. This one is all about the messy bun. Top knot life. This little hack is basically to make the back of your bun look cuter. I'm honestly not sure how to film this in a graceful way, but we're gonna just do it, I guess. Okay, let's go for it. Flip your hair over. Okay, so you're gonna grab this first little section of hair and you're going to make a ponytail. Now you can kind of just throw that one out of the way and you're gonna do it again with the next section of hair. You're just gonna gather some hair together, smooth it out, and before tying this into a ponytail, what you're gonna do is you're going to add in this first one and tie them both together. You're just incorporating that first ponytail right along into the second one. Okay, so the girl said you can stop after 2 or you can do 3. We're gonna go all out and do 3. Grab some hair, get it nice and smooth, incorporate along in that other ponytail and tie them off together. And there we go, that's what it looks like. 3 little ponytails. I can't breathe. Okay, final step is that you're going to now make your messy bun as normal. Voila. Looks super cute from the front, but moment of truth, let's turn around and see what the back looks like. I'm excited. And here we go. Here's what it looks like from the back. The ponytails are a little uneven. 2 and 3 are very close together, but with saying that, this was my first time doing it and it came out pretty cute. It looks totally the same from the front. It didn't affect that at all, but I love how it just, you know, gives that visual interest in the back. It kind of elevates the messy bun a little bit, dare I say. I am a big fan of this one. Again, with more practice, I feel like I could really perfect it and it will look smooth and perfect in the back. But this one is another win. TikTok is on a roll today. On to the 5th and final. Okay, I don't even know what my hair is doing anymore at this point, but we're rolling with it. TikTok hairstyle hack number 5. It's a low bun tutorial type of thing. I don't know. It's a new way to tie off a low bun. It's supposed to be like a voluminous, elegant looking low bun. I don't know. I've honestly watched the video a few times now and it's still confusing me. So we're gonna try it and see if I can get the method down. Wish me luck. Okay, I have to watch it one more time because seriously, I don't. Okay, honestly, I didn't even realize one part of it until this now maybe like 17th time watching it. This will be very cool if I can figure out how to do this. I'm not quite sure I know what I'm doing, but we're gonna try it. Yikes. Okay, so you're gonna gather all your hair back into like a little low pony type of deal, something like that. And then you're gonna take a scrunchie and you're gonna tie it off twice. So 1 time, 2 times, and then you're gonna set it up for a third, but you're not gonna pull it through yet. What you're gonna do is twist your ponytail. Twist the entire thing. And now this is the confusing part. Before putting it through, I don't even know how to explain this because I don't know how to do it. It looks like you're gonna hold it up here and then maybe take the tail and put the tail through the ponytail. Like that? Question mark? Maybe? Is this right? I don't even know if it's right. And now what the girl shows is you're gonna kind of fan your hair around to make kind of like a donut situation. This is not quite what she was going for. Let's try that again. I don't know what I'm doing. I have to watch the video again. I just watched the video back. I think I did it correct, but we're gonna try this again. I don't know. Okay, again. Gather your hair back into a nice low ponytail. Take your scrunchie, put it around twice, once, twice, and then when you're prepped for the third, you're going to twist the whole thing. And then you're gonna bring it up. It looks like she takes the tail this way, and then pulls the tail through the ponytail. Oh my God, maybe I have it now. Maybe that was correct. I think maybe. Okay, so now with it in this sort of situation, now she kind of shows tucking it in to kind of like hide the scrunchie and get the tail tucked through. I'm not exactly sure. It was pretty confusing. I don't know what I'm doing at all. You can see the scrunchie. It's a big voluminous mess again. Yeah. Okay, I don't know. I tried really hard on that one. You saw, you heard, you watched the effort. I'm gonna have all of the original TikToks linked in the description box below, so you guys can go and watch this one and see if you can figure it out, because this doesn't quite look like hers, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I tried. But yeah, this little low bun TikTok hairstyling hack, I failed. Annoying. Okay, and there we go. We tested 5 TikTok hairstyling hacks. 3 were wins, 2 were fails. I would say those are pretty good odds. I was hoping for 5 wins, but you know, not every day's a good day. If you enjoyed the video, definitely leave me a like on this video. If you want to stick around to catch more videos of me trying and failing some internet hacks, definitely subscribe to join ByStephieNics fam. Ring that notification bell to be the first to know every time I post. And for sure, leave a comment down below if you have a video request from me, other TikTok hacks that you want me to try out. As of now, I've done life hacks, beauty hacks, and now hair hacks. If you want me to do a part 2 of any of these or a different category for sure, let me know. I had such a fun time with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And as always, this was ByStephieNics. Bye. My hair is gonna be going through a lot in this video. I can already feel it. What was that sound?